Welcome to Not Milk Never Milk. Subscribe if you're lactose intolerant.
In this video, I will show how to start BMW 1 Series without key updated. Place the key fob directly against the start button, press the brake, and push the button until the dash powers on. If the push start fails, insert the emergency key into the hidden slot under trim, hold the fob close, and try again. Always ensure the fob battery is charged and the car is in park before attempting to start. First, check that the vehicle is fully in park and the steering wheel is not locked. Verify dash lights and listen for the fuel pump prime when attempting start. If the car registers a key detection error, try swapping batteries or using the internal emergency key to enable ignition. Avoid repeated unsuccessful attempts to prevent starter or electrical issues, and consult a qualified locksmith or dealer for persistent immobilizer faults. If you're finding this video helpful, please subscribe and like to support the channel. Quick recommendation: Robot Face upgrade your clean game with the Shark AI Ultra Robot Vacuum, voice control for hands-free cleanup, a handy companion for workshop dust. Check the description for the link and other deals to save time and effort. Don't miss limited offers and extended warranties sometimes available. Thanks for watching, and now let's get back to the video. Starting a vehicle without an authorized key can violate laws and warranty terms, so proceed responsibly. Use these methods only on your own vehicle or with explicit owner permission and proper identification. Professional tools like programmer modules should be used by trained technicians to avoid damage. Always document any service performed and consider dealer reprogramming for permanent solutions to immobilizer or keyless entry problems. Protect personal data when sharing fob information.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.